Yo, what's up, y'all? I'm over here in Ghana, Kumasi, at the Golden Bean Hotel, about to conduct some business real quick, about to look into the agricultural business. So everybody stay tuned with that and check it out right here. You know what I'm saying? Get the little view going. Yeah, so stay tuned and we about to get that going. We about to get everything rolling in these next few days. Give y'all some more content. Gonna be pushing it out real soon. So stay tuned. And I appreciate all my subscribers. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to all my subscribers and the love and the support each and every one of y'all are giving me. So shout out and stay tuned. Is this the feeding? Oh yeah, that's nice.
So that is the plant, and this is the finished feed.
Nice. Yeah, it's good how you have it all right here. That's the way to go. So we are going to check out what again?
Oh, it's a new construction. That is the hatchery where we are going to produce the day-old chicks.
Okay.
Sorry.
I almost fell on camera. So all this right here is one big land. He got everything pretty much in the same facility, in the same area, I shall say. And he's building, we're going to a site where he's building, where he's gonna fertilize the eggs with the machine. And later on, we're gonna see his farm where he holds the chickens at. Got some little bills over here.
It's quite a huge project. It's about thousands. Okay, if it is square feet, Americans are more used to square feet.
Square feet.
Yeah. That is 85 by 2. Yeah, that's about 17,500 square feet.
17,500 square feet? And they're building the blocks for here.
Yes. So they are producing those blocks we're going to use to build it.
Nice. All right, now we're on our way to the farm. I just wanted to give y'all a little glimpse of Ghana, how beautiful this country is. I don't think this camera is showing it any justice, but still, I'm trying to give y'all a little something of the landscape and how things are. We're headed to the farm right now. A lot of people are building. This land is very, very fertile and green. I'm loving it right now. As you can see, somebody's building a house right here. Yeah, people are building. Say what's up to the peoples. So we're almost at the land, and we'll be there soon. So we made it here at the land. As you can hear the chickens in the background. Very big land. Yeah, you can hear the chickens. Very nice. Let's continue checking it out. This big, big money maker. I'm at the farm right now. It's the chicken farm, where they produce chickens and eggs. Welcome.
Now,
Definitely.
Hey, so you see that they don't
I was coming.
my brother, I was here. This one.
Okay, let me see.
Okay. Willie, these are our fertilized eggs. So all these eggs are going straight to the machine.
These eggs are going straight to the machine?
Yes.
All it is in here.
Yes. Everything we produce here goes straight to the hatch. But you don't know what kind of details to be made. And happy birthday.
I'm about to walk up here and get a little bit of closer look at these chickens. Man, this land is huge, y'all. I'm not even gonna front and lie, but I'm finna walk up here and get a little closer glimpse of these chickens and what's really going on in these spots where they are holding the chickens at. This type of business right here will change y'all's financial situation. I'm telling you, this type of business right here will change your financial situation. You won't be looking for money anymore.
Oh, this your land
This
back
right
there?
here alone would do it.
Yeah.
So we are doing land excavation. We're bringing the hill down to get it all level and then put up the structure.
Oh man, you got the big chicken.
I don't know. Those small ones cannot produce that.
Yeah. And you say you need about like, you'll start out at like 2,000 of those.
Of this one, yeah.
I'm at the chicken factory right now. The chicken farm, I should say. I'm at the chicken farm right now. Look at this. Big money right here. Big money.
As you can see here, these chickens look very, very fed, very, very well taken care of. You know what I'm saying? I'm just showing you guys a different side of Ghana, pretty much like business side and how you can invest or whatnot. But yeah, until next time, y'all, I'm out.